You are going to suck, and you are going to suck hard and keep sucking and sucking and sucking until Hey everyone, my name is Pachia and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, hey, how you doing? If this is not your first time here, you've been to my channel before, so you've seen my previous videos or my future videos and just landed on this video, well, hey, how you doing? And welcome back. On this channel, it's just a hot mess. I usually say it's about exploring the human emotions and living our best life using law of attraction, but honest to God, I am all over the map. So I'm just gonna give you guys a nice welcome. If you can see, I'm wearing an Atlanta United t-shirt because hashtag MLS is back. We have been waiting a couple of months and it's finally game time. Can I get a woo woo? I'm not a huge super fan. My husband, on the other hand, is a huge fan of soccer. He's a huge fan of the Atlanta United. So me being a good wife, I am just supporting my husband, supporting his team. Comment below if you are a super fan of soccer and let me know which team you guys are rooting for, or if you're just like me wearing the t-shirts to support your husband, to support his team. Now it is not just soccer that I don't like, it is all sports. And before you roll your eyes and say, typical girl, hey now, I just know what I like and what I don't like. And I've always been this way. I'm not a sports kind of girl, and I'm not good at any of them either. Baseball, basketball, soccer, golf, what is it? Running. I'm not a good runner. What else is there that I'm not good at? Anything really with like a hand-eye coordination is just not for me. So naturally, my career choice has never been anything in the sports field. You know what I'm saying? Which reminds me of an incident that happened to me in the 2nd grade. It was my 2nd grade class versus a 5th grade class in a deadly game of softball. And when it was my turn to hit the ball, the pitcher threw the ball towards my direction, but it had hit my shoulder. Now, physically, fine. It was one of those white plastic balls. It didn't hurt a bit. But emotionally, I was losing my shit. I was so embarrassed of what had happened. And I was like, why didn't I move? Why didn't I duck? Why didn't I do anything? I did do something though. And it was the one thing I knew I could do, which was cry. So I wept like the child that I was. Thankfully, my sister was in that 5th grade class and she was able to comfort me. But I didn't really need her comfort. What I needed was what had happened to had not happened. I was just so embarrassed of what the situation was and everything that happened in the last like 2 seconds that I was just crying because that's the only thing I knew I could do. When you lean towards a career that suits your natural abilities, what you're also doing is giving yourself an edge. For anyone who has a career in mind but lack the natural abilities and the talent and the gifts, should that be a reason for you to choose a different career? No. No, 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 no. No. If anything, that is just an excuse, and that is you being lazy. And if you're thinking, but I suck. Yeah, you are going to suck, and you are going to suck hard and keep sucking and sucking and sucking until one day you're going to succeed. Should we have a real talk situation? Yes. Going for a career that suits your natural abilities, there's nothing wrong with that. You have a gift. You have the edge. Going for a career that you are lacking natural abilities, you also have a gift and you also have an edge. It's called perseverance, and you should be applauded for going out of your comfort zone. Yes, it is going to be challenging, and yes, it is going to be difficult. But what I'm about to say, I hope brings you comfort, and you've probably heard it before, but nothing worth having comes easy. So what if you have to work harder and put in more hours? When success comes knocking at that door and opportunities are from A to Z, it will just be all worth it. I understand completely how difficult and scary and challenging it is to go out of your comfort zone. Look, I use YouTube as an example a lot because that is where I'm at in my life. So maybe you're at the same place where I am, where you are just starting a YouTube channel or you want to start a YouTube channel. Look, being in front of the camera doesn't come easy to me. This talking to a lens and imagining thousands of people is not easy. Sometimes it can be frustrating because the words just won't come out. Sometimes it can be daunting because I'm not getting the views or subscribers. Sometimes it can be just kind of like blah 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 blah, like what am I saying? Sometimes it even feels like imposter syndrome because I'm just kind of like, who wants to watch me? You know what I'm saying? Like, what do I have to offer to you? But this is the thing, I want to do this. I want to be in front of the camera. I want to make content. By the way, I don't mind being called a YouTuber. I know nowadays people don't like being called a YouTuber. They want to be called content creators or digital creators, and I get that, I hear that, and I respect that. But I'm a little old school, so if someone says, oh, you're a YouTuber, then I say yes, I am. That is just, I mean, I'm like rolling with it. Okay, let's just roll with it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching this video. Whether or not you're going to a career that suits your natural talent, you have that edge, or you're going to a career that you're lacking natural abilities, but you have the edge of perseverance, I wish you luck and success. Success is yours. Speak it into existence and claim it. If you are feeling me and you want to hang out on a weekly basis, then click that subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. So till then, have a beautiful day and a beautiful week.